Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to talk about ASP.NET Master Pages. First of all, what are ASP.NET Master Pages? A master page allows you to create consistent layout for the pages in your application. A single master page can define the look, feel, and standard behavior that you want for all of your pages in your application. And it also makes it way easier to maintain your website. Now, um, how does it do it? Let's just do an example. I created an empty website and I also imported Bootstrap, installed Bootstrap from NuGet Package Manager, just so it's easier for me to create a navigation bar and a header that is looking decent. So start by adding a master page. Right click on your project, add new item, and select master page. I'm going to leave the name as it is and say add. Now this is our master page. Now I'm going to add two more pages. In this application there's going to be a home page and there's going to be a contact page, and they're going to share the header area and the navigation bar. So they both need to inherit those parts from the master page. I'm going to add a form, add web form, and this is going to be the home page. Actually, right click, add new item, choose web form, home, and select master page option here. This way is actually better. And select your master page. Now, as you can see, the page content is different than what it would be if you just created a regular web form. Anything that you want to add, also you can look at the design, and there's a placeholder, content placeholder, as you can see, and everything you create in this page is going to go there. Everything specific to this page is going to go inside the content placeholder. On the other hand, we have our master page here. Right, so far we don't have anything, and I'm going to add one more page. Right click on your project solution, add new item, web form, and this one is going to be the contact page. Okay, content ASPX select master page is selected, and they're going to share the same master page. Okay, now let's change the content of our master page. So I'm going to go to the source, and I'm going to add some navigation bar, and then I'm going to add some page header. For time's sake, I'm going to just copy paste some Bootstrap code into my page. Now anything that is web form specific will go into the placeholder, and anything outside of the placeholder will be actually part of your master page and will be shared by all of the other pages that have this master page as their master page. Okay, so this is my navigation bar. It ends here, and then I'm going to have a container that has sort of a header, a Jumbotron container. Okay, now let's save this and check. So here's my, of course, currently my master page doesn't have the Bootstrap content, therefore I'm going to go back there and I'm going to import my Bootstrap content. Let's select the Bootstrap CSS. Inside the head, drag and drop, and then scripts, so jQuery. Let's add bootstrap.js. Now if you look at the design, okay, the nav bar looks messed up, but when you actually run the application, it works just fine. Now both home and the contact pages will be, as you can see, they are already importing these. Now let's define the page specific content. Okay, and I'm gonna go inside my page specific content. You can also choose it from here. Let's drop a label, right? And the label will have text. Say this is the home page. Okay, and for the content page, I'm going to contact page, I'm going to have two labels. Let's say message, actually one label. Okay, after the label, I'm going to put a text box. And this text box is going to have a text mode that is multiple lines, multi-line. Okay, and then a button to submit. Just sends a contact, just sends a message. I'm not going to implement the functionality for that for now, but just so you can see, even the different pages will have inherit the same parts from the master page. So it's the contact, okay, and contact here, source. The label is message. Let's put a BR tag here so it just looks better. Oh, I see what happened here. We put that text box inside the label. Okay. Design, yeah. Okay. Now home page, I'm going to make my home page the start page. Right click, set as start page. This means as soon as the application runs, it's going to actually run the home page. And let's say build solution, debug, start without debugging. Now this is my home page, and if I forgot to add the links to here, but we can still go. So we can still change the URL from here. This is the home page, right? This is the placeholder content, but everything else is inherited from the master page. Navigation bar, the header. If I go to the contact page, now we have our little message box and a submit button, and they both have different content. It has different content than the home page, but they both share the template for the page. So this is how master pages are used. I hope the video has been useful. Thanks.